Hello! At the current time that I'm making this video, I currently have no bells to my name in Animal Crossing. It's a bit of a problem. How am I going to pay my bills? Well, Mr. Tom Nook doesn't want you to hear about this solution. Just craft up your own bells. What could go wrong? Anyway, you've probably noticed that I crafted up a small ball of wool at the start, and you're probably like, what's that got to do with anything? Well, we're actually going to be putting this inside the bag. It's an easy way to give the bag its iconic round shape, and since the bag will be tied up, you won't even see it. Next up, we're cutting these two small strips of red felt, one to put around the bag, and the other to make a little bow. A small cut at the end, since it was a bit too long, and we're pretty much done. If you've enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe and check out my other Animal Crossing videos. Bye!